Hello and welcome to Aberdeen Science Centre. My name is Rachel and today we're going to look at making the perfect poo. We're going to follow the journey of food through the digestive system, from food on the table to when it eventually becomes poo. Our journey starts at breakfast time, usually around 8 AM. People eat lots of different things for breakfast, but here are some of the more typical things: porridge, toast, banana and orange juice. Now we have our food assembled, we need to chew before we can swallow it. When we swallow our food, it travels down the esophagus. This takes about 7 seconds. Once through, it reaches the stomach. Now the food has reached our stomach, it continues to break down. There are 2 ways that the body can do this. One way is by acid. The other way is by muscle action, squeezing and mixing the food to break it down. The thick milky stuff this produces is called chyme. After 2.5 to 5 hours, the chyme passes to our small intestine. This can be up to 7 meters long in adults. In the small intestine, bile is then added to our chyme to aid the breakdown of fat. As food moves through the small intestine, all the vitamins and minerals are released. In fact, most of the vitamins and minerals our body requires are absorbed by the small intestine. 4 hours after moving through the small intestine, food reaches the large intestine. This is where water is reabsorbed and any nutrients that the small intestine missed. The water that is removed at this stage is filtered by the kidneys and waste products passed out as urine. The process of moving food through the large intestine can take between 12 and 50 hours depending on what you have eaten. And there we have it, the perfect poo. It's made up of all the things that your body didn't need to or couldn't digest. Too much or not enough of some things can cause our poos not to be perfect. However, by having a balanced diet and staying hydrated, you can raise your chances of having the perfect poo. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.